My name is Jimmy Roche. I'm the Managing Director of Roche Manufacturing in Montbellew in Galway, Ireland. I'm the owner and the founder of the company. We're a manufacturing, design and marketing company, and we sell our products under the brand name of RoCo. Our product range include agricultural products and specialised products for the pre-stressed hollow core concrete industry. We export our products to 8 countries worldwide through our distributor in England. Well, as the company develops and there's more needs and demands from your customers, obviously there's internal demands as well, like personnel management issues, financial management issues, engineering management issues. So all these things need to be addressed in a structured and formal way. And we found that the futureSME project helped us to develop our thinking in this area. Initially, we used the business diagnostic tool, which is a futureSME tool. This pointed out that we needed some leadership. There was some leadership issues. So, with one of the advisors, we engaged in the leadership development program, whereby we established our clear goals and aspirations for the company. This was communicated to the workers and the people involved in the company through regular working meetings. This program was initially used in conjunction with the strategy wall and strategy maps, where we established our goals and our aspirations for the future. Literally in our boardroom we have this on the wall and in various places throughout the work areas. What you're doing is you're creating a method of communication with the people that you work with. You can find that very often when you go into meetings, people engage and get involved during the meeting, but when they go, they forget about everything they've discussed. Quite not everything, but it can happen. But the visual strategy methodology ensures that the things that were discussed are highlighted and are there to be seen right throughout the working week. So it kept everybody reminded. It was an evolution from our meetings were constantly in front of people right during the week until we had our follow-up meetings. So it became more integrated into the work during the week. As most companies grow, they focus their attentions very much on their customer. This can create an imbalance. We found that we weren't really addressing the internal issues within our own company. We had communication issues, we had a divide between the people working on the workshop floor and the management. We found that people were reluctant to maybe approach management with small issues, and these were the issues actually that were holding us back. We found that the methodology used through our meeting and our visual strategy broke down the communication barriers between the floor and the management. We were now thinking as one brain as a company. There was a clear methodology using tools like the Big 7 and that give us an understanding of how people think and why they think the way they do. And most of our workers, came back to me afterwards saying things like, something, I'm delighted that we became involved in this project. What I found special about the futureSME project is it drilled down to the very basic reasons why the company existed in the first place. Very often entrepreneurs start businesses with a certain type of vision, and as the company grows, the vision becomes more blurred. The priorities change, your skill sets change, the demands on you as a managing director of the organization change. You can lose focus on your ideals that you had at the outset. This happens unknowingly to yourself, but by engaging in the process like the futureSME project, they give you a very objective overview of your company. They give you objectivity. The first thing that the advisor went through with us is our mission statement when we came in, why we're here, what we're doing here, and where we want to be in the future. Do you know Michael O'Leary, and talking about Ryanair, he uses this term, what's good about Ryanair, all of the time, you know, in promotion of his company. So you could say the same thing about futureSME. What's good about the futureSME project is that it constantly focuses on the reasons why the company exists in the first place. Very often with small medium enterprises, you will find that the problems that people face on a day-to-day basis are pretty universal. We don't realise this because we don't have great intercommunication between SMEs. We think that the problems that we have are unique to us. Very often they are not. The basic building blocks within any organisation, you know, are similar. Within any project are similar. Things like communication, methodology, skills, how do you communicate your offering outside of your company. These things are pretty universal. The futureSME project, you know, has the tools and has the awareness to understand this. So I certainly would recommend the engagement in the futureSME process. With other companies, I would recommend it highly.